What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna review the BG50 handheld blower from Stihl.
Yeah.
The biggest downside to using a handheld blower is the fact that it's literally in your hand. All the weight of it is in your hand when you're trying to blow around bushes and blow out edges, or if sidewalks are messed up and you're blowing back and forth really quick, it's more difficult with all the weight of this thing in your hand. I would say that the best job for a handheld blower like this Stihl is gutters. Just due to the fact that you can climb your ladder, carry it in your hand, set it up on the roof, and if you were to fall off the roof or something crazy, you could just toss the blower away. In comparison to a backpack blower, it's on your back with shoulder straps. The handheld blower is better on certain specific jobs like gutters. Another upside to the smaller handheld blowers is the
fact that they're cheaper.
You can get a really good handheld blower for 130 to 170 bucks, but for a commercial backpack blower, you're looking at least 280 to 300 bucks for even just standard backpack blowers you could get at Home Depot.
Yeah.